till it makes me wanna say hello. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me wanna say hello. Where you tryna leave?
We made it to Winter Wonderland. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Are you excited? He's not really excited. Oh, you are? I feel like he's more so doing this for me. For me, I've been waiting for this, and this is my final year. So, like, technically speaking, most likely this would have been the last time I would have been able to do it.
What did you get? I get one.
I feel like I'm in a Disney movie.
What are we doing first?
I have no idea. You wanna? Wait! Don't waste my money.
Put that thing by yourself, you're acting like this.
Oh my god!
There's no point. Let's get to inside.
Wow! Guys, we're trying to decide if we go on this. You want to? Also, I tried to win a doll and I couldn't. Well, he played it. Next time, let's try and play it and see if I can win. So, are we in or not? Should we do it?
I don't know, man.
I feel like my week falls off.
You want to do the rest?
No. Maybe the
I'm not
last
going to get this thing.
Just try this. Oh damn, that's a hard one.
It's very hard. You want to do the last one?
I feel like you're good at it.
Hold on, there are 4 remaining.
Oh, that's what it means.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Anyways. How? What are you doing?
There's no way you just...
First, I don't want to pay it. Thank you. Oh no, yes. I just realized I'm not recording. Before you're killing me. Ah. god! I've not been recording, you guys. I feel so upset. I've gone through this half of this experience. I'm recording. Oh shit! Oh, I almost lost my camera. Oh my god!
Don't go down the slide. You can go down.
Absolutely not. Why would I? Oh my god! Okay. Serious. Oh my god, I hope I don't break my camera. Which I feel like. This is so slippery. Oh my god. Okay. We're back again. Because I refuse to do this to the couch. Hawaii. Why did you kiss me? Oh no! Surely there has to be something I can win in this place. Yeah, it just has to be.
Unless you just want to buy it.
Can I buy?
Where you came from? Yeah, bro.
No, I didn't know that. I mean, do you have iPhone? Actually, maybe I should have waited till when I tried it. Because I want to do taste test. Like 5. Wait. Just left. I didn't win anything, unfortunately. I can't believe I'm leaving Winter Wonderland without winning anything, and I'm so upset because everywhere I turned, people were just holding gifts. I'm telling you, people had like 3 and 4 on their arms, and I had 0. But I enjoyed, and I rate Winter Wonderland like 7. You?
Yeah, 7.
Yeah. Now, are you happy you came out?
I'm happy, but my wallet's not happy.
That's very true, because if you know what we spent, guys, I do not anticipate this. This is actually insane. And now I'm going to close this camera because I swear people are looking at me like I'm crazy.